In this tutorial, we will learn how to write a Python program to sum all the items in a list using function. In Python, def keyword is used to define a function, which is short form of define. So I have created a list named SumList, and the actual code of how all the items of the list will be added is written in the function definition. Statements inside the function are not executed until the function is called. So the actual execution of the program will begin at line 9, and in the next print function I have called the function. So as soon as the Python interpreter sees this function calling, it jumps to the function definition and starts executing every statement one by one. So first I have created a variable named SumItems and assigning a value which is 0, and now I have taken for loop because I need a loop because I have to iterate through every element of the list to get the addition of all the element of the list. And here the actual addition is done. SumItems plus equal to x, which means SumItems equals to SumItems plus x. First time the x will be 1 and it is added to the SumItems. SumItems will become 1. The next time the x will be 2 and the SumItems will become 3. Third time x will be 3 and the SumItems, sum of all the items, will become 6. And at last this function returns a value which is addition of all the elements of the list. So I have called function in the print statement. So at last the sum of all the elements will be printed on the terminal. So first let's run the program and see what happens. Okay, sum of all the elements of the list 1 2 3 is 6. Now let's change the parameter and run the program again. Okay, sum is correct. This program is working properly. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel to get more videos like this.